How to fix Instagram emojis not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram emoji not showing problem. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step 1. That is to update the Instagram. So here, simply open the Google Play Store, and there, once you have opened it, simply search for the Instagram app and check if there is any update available. And if you see any update button, just tap on it, because Instagram updates often add support for the latest emoji, so keeping it updated usually solves the problem. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to update your Android settings. So here you can simply open the settings app, and now here, once you're inside it, just tap on about phone, and there you simply have to scroll down and tap on Android security update, and there you simply have to update it if you find any update, because many new emojis come with Android update, so your phone needs to be running the latest version. And with that, moving forward to this step 3, that is to change the keyboard app. So here emojis still don't appear, then you can try switching to a new keyboard app. So here you can simply go to the Play Store and simply search for the Gboard. And now here, once you search for the Gboard, in the search section you can simply install it, and after installing it you can simply go to the system, and there you can simply scroll down and tap on language or input, or then you can simply search for it in the search bar as well. And now here in this section you simply have to scroll down and tap on manage keyboards, and there you simply have to enable the Gboard. And with that you can try open the Instagram again and check if the emojis are showing. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear the Instagram cache. So sometimes cache data can cause the emoji issues. So to fix that, you simply have to long press on the Instagram app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info. And here, once you are in the app settings page, just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now from here, simply tap on clear cache and confirm it. And with that, it won't delete anything from your account, but it will refresh the app. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to reinstall the Instagram. So if anything is still not working, then you can uninstall the Instagram and reinstall it from the Play Store again. And this will install the latest version and fix any corrupted files. And that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram emojis not showing. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.